Hello everyone, today I'm looking at the maximum nesting depth of the parentheses. So whenever we open a parentheses, we are adding to the depth. And when we close a parenthesis, we are taking away from the depth. So we need to determine what the depth has been, as well as what the depth is now. So we need two variables. Let the max count, which is always going to be the max depth, and count equals 0. So when we open a parentheses, we will add to the depth. And when we close a parenthesis, we will take away from the depth. Okay. So let's look at all the numbers inside the iterable object. So S is a string, but it is iterable. So we can access it by having a number inside of square brackets next to the S. So we can just have a for loop, s.length, to have the computer look element by element. S of I, so that'll return an individual element, a car, a character. And if it is equal to an open, then we'll have count plus plus, and max count is either going to be math.max, max count itself, or count. Now you can also increment the count variable here if you want. Okay. Else if S of I is equal to a closing brace, then we subtract from count. And so it's going to be different things at different times. So 1, 2, and all the time max count is being stored. It's either this number or this number. So it's either 0 or 1, and then it's 1 or 2, and then it's 2 or 2, and then it's 3 or 3. And so 3 is the max count. So it's 1 or 1, 1 or 0, 1 or 1, or 2 or 1, and then it's 2 or 1, and then it's 3 or 1, So we can return the max count at the end.